What's up, Sawadee Pops? Okay, let's eat this banana Q. They call it Thai grilled bananas with coconut caramel sauce. In Thai, they call it Kuwai Ping. This easy Thai grilled bananas with coconut caramel sauce recipe is a deliciously sweet dessert, ready in 20 minutes for a perfect treat. It's a snack that can be found and eaten any time of the day. Okay, alright. Magmerienda tayo ngayon ng Banana Q. Banana Q ng Thailand. Alright. Itong Banana Q ng Thailand. At syempre, samahan natin ito ng mainit na kape. Yan. Alright, mga paps. At pag hinihintay natin, tikman natin itong Banana Q ng Thailand. Okay. Alright. Ito na. Matamis. Matamis yung pagka-caramel niya. Sarap. Dami. Sarap ng caramel. Sarap ng pag-caramel ng banana Q. Yung kape. Alright, Sawadee Pops, isa pong masarap na merienda na kain natin, ang Banana Q ng Thailand. Okay, everybody, see you again. What's up, Sawadee Pops?